Okay, so I will share my screen and tell you how you can download this Arduino software into your system. Okay. First of all, you have to open your browser, either Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, whatever you are using in your system. Okay. Now click on here. It's working a bit slow. And right here, download Arduino. Okay, so this is the first website available. Just click on this one. After that, from here you have to choose your operating system. You must know about operating system. Right now in this system, I am using Windows 10. You have to find out which window you are using. If Windows 7, then click on this link. If Windows 8 or 10, then click on this one. Okay, after that it will ask for contribute. If you want to contribute, you can, or you can just click on just download. After that, click on this get button and it will ask for your Microsoft ID or something else. Just ignore that one and click on download. Depending upon your internet speed, it will get download fast, and if network is slow, then it will take time. Okay, I have already installed in this system, so it's showing me to launch. But in your system, it will be install button here in place of launch. So just click on install. After 2 or 3 minutes, it will get download and click on this launch. Launch means you want to open this app. So this is your Arduino software. Okay, same interface we have seen yesterday in book part, if you remember, page number 70. Yes, you can see your book part also. I can show you here also. 1 second, I will open your book also. Meanwhile, I will show you that interface. E2, E9. आदित्य, मीना, what happened? कोई जोक दिखाया मैंने आपको यहाँ पे जो आप हंस रहे हो? Okay, as you can see here, same interface we have received when we have downloaded this Arduino software into our system. Isn't looking similar? It's not getting here. Okay, so this is the one you have in book and this is the one we have in our application. Clear? So this is your menu bar. In menu bar we have file option, edit, sketch, tools and help. This button is for verification, means when you will write your code, so after click on this button, your code will be verified, means it will search for any errors or something else or syntax error in your code. But if verification is done, then you are ready to upload your code. So from this button, we can upload our code. Clear? Then we have this new open and save. All this button we have discussed yesterday.
It can be downloaded
If
with
you
Play
remember.
Store.
Saloni, what you want to do on my screen? Why you are sending annotation request? Shiv Soni. Okay, so now here is next step, connecting Arduino Uno to computer. Now you are ready to connect Arduino Uno to your computer. Connect your Uno board with USB cable provided with the board. The green power LED will light up, that indicates that board is powered up. The window will automatically install the drivers for the board as soon as you connect your board to the computer. Once the board is connected, you have to select board, type and port. So right now we haven't connect any board here, but when you will connect your board with this PC via CPU, ma'am, we have to buy this board. Yes, if you want to do the practical, you have to purchase these equipments. Okay. Next, first of all, you have to connect this Arduino Uno board with your system. But right now, here we are not having that board. If you want to do practical, go and purchase today. Okay? No, we don't want to put efforts. We don't want to learn, right? We don't want to spend money on education, right? Okay. So to select a board, go to tools in the menu bar. But if you want to select the board, so from menu, we can go into tools here and select the appropriate board we have connected. Okay, select the board menu from here, find selected board. So right now we haven't connect any, but by default we will use this Arduino Uno. So we will select this one. There are many others families also of Arduino, but in book we are using only Arduino Uno. This board we are using. Okay, now to tell board which port you are using, to go to the tool in the menu bar, select the port menu, finally select the serial port for Arduino. Now serial port is for communication, means जहाँ से आप input या output लोगे. So सबसे पहले आपको बोर्ड को कनेक्ट करना है, आपको बोर्ड की फैमिली चूज करनी है, फिर उस बोर्ड पे आपने किस पोर्ट पे, मतलब वहाँ पे आपके पास कितने पिन है एनालॉग और डिजिटल पिन, लास्ट चैप्टर में आपने रीड किया था 14. तो आउट ऑफ दैट 14 आपने कौन सी पिन पे कनेक्ट करना है अपने कोड को, वो आपको सिलेक्ट करना है फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. ओके, from this port menu, serial port or communication port, we are having two type of port, so you can select that port also. Is it clear? Next, लर्निंग प्रोग्राम इनटू Arduino. अब आपने डाउनलोड कर लिया, आपको पता चल गया कि कहाँ कहाँ ऑप्शन है, बोर्ड को कनेक्ट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट क्या है, आपको प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है. फॉर दैट यू विल लर्न लोडिंग प्रोग्रामिंग इनटू Arduino while creating the projects. Let's start creating some simple Arduino project, but in imagination, not in real. Okay, first project blinking and LED. It's very easy. मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको एक मैनुअल मिलेगा ब्लिंक लाइट का, आपको जस्ट उसको सिलेक्ट करना है और अपना कोड राइट करना है. Okay, let's start. So you can either blink an LED present on the Uno itself or blink an LED on external circuit attached to the Uno. Here you are going to learn blinking on LED on an external circuit. So project requirement, if you want to design this project, you will be required this equipments. First of all, board required, then breadboard. This is your breadboard and this is your Arduino board. Then jumper wires, these wire which you are using for connection. USB cables, if you want to connect this board with CPU, you require USB cable. Then LED, because we are designing this program for blinking LED. Of course, we require some LED that we can plug in into this board. Then 220 OHM resistor so that you can store some power. Correct? So these are the basic requirements. Okay, so this one is your breadboard. This white one is your breadboard and this blue one is your Arduino Uno board. Clear? Next, you can build your Arduino project circuit by looking at the image given here. following the given steps. Dhruv, what happened? Two Rudrakshis here. Okay. What kind of messages he is sending, Dhruv? What happened? One second. Okay. So step number 1, insert black jumper wire into GND ground pin on the Arduino and then in ground rail of the breadboard row 15.
Is
Obviously,
Arduino
you can
can be
connect this
downloaded
wire
in
from
Android system.
Arduino board to your breadboard. Next, insert red jumper wire into pin 13 on the Arduino and then other end into F7 of breadboard. तो ये जो नंबर दिया हुआ है ना पिन 13, F7 ये सब वहाँ पे मार्क हैं, उस पर आपको दिखेगा ये. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा ये कहाँ है, सबके आगे लेबल्स लिखे हुए हैं कि F7 क्या है और P13 कहाँ है, आपको बस इंसर्ट करना है जो यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शन दी हुई है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज प्लेस द लॉन्ग लेग ऑफ द एलईडी इनटू H7 एंड शॉर्ट लेग इनटू H4, bend both leg of 20 OHM resistors and place one leg into the ground rail around row 4 and leg in 14. So all this connection it's very easy, but while we are reading it's maybe look typical to all of you, but it's very easy to do. Whenever you will purchase this board, you just have to find the pin number and place everything, right? Finally, connect the Arduino Uno to your computer via USB cable. Note, the letter number combination used in above steps refers to the location of breadboard. For example, H19 to column H. Next, अपलोडिंग द ब्लिंक स्केच. अब ये तो आपका यहाँ तक क्या था, हार्डवेयर था. ठीक है, आपको हार्डवेयर कनेक्शंस करने थे इक्विपमेंट्स परचेज करके. आफ्टर दैट अब अपने हार्डवेयर तो हम मतलब हार्डवेयर परचेज कर लिया, कनेक्टिविटी कर ली, बट वो प्रोग्राम कैसे करेगा, उसको ब्रेन पार्ट कहाँ से मिलेगा, विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर प्रोग्रामिंग. कर्तव्य, व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम बेटा? व्हाई यू आर सेंडिंग कंटिन्यूअसली annotation request? What do you want to do here? I will expel you now. One more request and I will expel you. One second. Okay, so till here we have done all the connections, we have purchased equipment, but now we have to put brain part to that hardware. क्योंकि हार्डवेयर को कैसे पता चलेगा कि उसे क्या करना है? With the help of software, with the help of program, you give instruction to those hardware like what kind of work they are supposed to do. So now it's time to upload this sketch Arduino program onto Uno to tell it what to do. In Arduino IDE, there are built-in example sketch that you can directly use. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको डायरेक्टली सब प्रोग्राम्स लिखने हैं, लेकिन ब्लिंक का आपके पास क्या है, ऑलरेडी इनबिल्ट प्रोग्राम है, आपको बस जाना है फाइल में और उसको अपलोड करना है. नाउ सी हाउ वी कैन डू दैट. Open LED blank example sketch given as follows. So first one is went into your this file option, here example, and then you will be able to see this basic, and in basic we have this blink program. Okay, again I am repeating, in file, in examples, then select basic and then blink. So when you will click on blink, by default program is here, no need to write anything, everything is written here. Okay, now what you have to do, so this is the program. So after writing your code, so this is inbuilt, no need to write. Next step, we have to verify that code. How you can verify? It's given here. So using this check button, you can verify your code. Now we will do the verification. Suppose you have written this code from yourself. Now what we have to do, just click on this right button. This is for verification. So when you will click on this button, it will compile your sketch. Yesterday I have tell you what is the meaning of compilation. To translate and find out the errors or syntax mistake. It will check the program and let you know if there are some error or not. Just wait for some time. When you will get done compilation, then you can continue with this next step, upload. Students, as you can see, when we have click on verify, now you can see done compiling, means आपकी compiling हो गई और यहाँ पे अभी कोई भी error नहीं है, you are good to go. So after verification, click on this button, this is for upload. So when you will click on this upload, it will again tell you done compiling, sorry, done uploading, then you can upload this code to your Arduino board. So here we don't have any port or we haven't connect anything. So it will ask for your port. We haven't connect any board here. अगर यहाँ पे बोर्ड कनेक्ट होता तो हम यहाँ से पोर्ट सिलेक्ट करते और अपना कोड अपलोड करते, ठीक है, और आपका प्रोजेक्ट वर्क करता. कम्युनिकेशन पोर्ट यू कैन सिलेक्ट और सीरियल पोर्ट इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन यू. आपने वहाँ से जोन सा पोर्ट सिलेक्ट किया ना इसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में, यहाँ से आप जो सिलेक्ट करोगे उसी सेम पोर्ट पे आपको जाना है, ठीक है. यहाँ से कॉम किया तो कॉम, सीरियल किया तो सीरियल. Is it clear to all of you? So in this way you can upload your program into Arduino board. Okay, any doubt anyone?